With access to limitless information at our fingertips, the communications sector is a vital part of each person's life. At Hubbell, we strive to be your reliable, single-source partner, supporting communications projects, construction, and maintenance, so service can continue uninterrupted. Common to every utility pole is pole line hardware. This is a demonstration of a typical pole line hardware installation that serves as the backbone for communication line construction. The lineman installs 2 washers and a bolt sized appropriately to allow for the pole diameter and attachment clamp. In this case, a 5/8" machine bolt with 2 washers. A nut holds the bolt and washers in place. If needed, a longer bolt can be substituted, and the end can be cut off. Another alternate method is use of a B-cable suspension screw. Next, install the messenger suspension clamp to lash the fiber cable to the strand. Hubbell can provide clamps for both straight line and corner applications. For corner applications, make sure that the clamp is oriented in the proper direction for the corner that is being supported. Now the lineman will install and sag the strand accordingly. Once the strand is in place, tighten down all bolts to lock in place. Keep in mind that the strand may need to be resagged or adjusted after the fiber cable has been lashed into place. Rollers are used to support the fiber while it is being installed. Once the fiber has been installed, the lineman will lash the fiber to the strand. Lashing wire clamps are installed to support and tie off the free ends of the lashing wire. The lashing wire clamps can support both single and double lashed configurations. Hubbell sells a variety of cable spacers depending on your application, along with your choice of stainless steel or plastic lashing straps. We understand that lead times are critical in the world of network construction. That is why we have invested in keeping the most popular products in stock in our 400,000 square foot distribution center. We are ready to ship most of our communications infrastructure products when you need them most. To learn more, visit us at www.hubbell.com to search by product name or catalog number for additional resources and information.